Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to my channel. For the first time ever, now you can run Qwen2-Audio on your local device for voice chat and audio analysis by using Nexa. I already have covered Nexa a lot on my channel, so if you're interested in learning more about this SDK, you can search the channel. But for the purpose of this video, we are going to use this Qwen2 audio model to run a local model that processes multiple modalities, especially the audio one. So we are going to use this model to run Nexa-SDK powered this Qwen2 audio model for voice chat, and we are also going to check out it in the graphical user interface. If you don't know what Qwen2 audio is, and you might be wondering why we are not using Qwen 2.5, which is more recent, the reason being that Qwen 2.5 is only text. It's not multimodal, whereas Qwen 2 is state-of-the-art small-scale multimodal model that handles audio and text inputs, that allows us to have voice interactions without ASR modules or automatic speech recognition modules. This Qwen2 audio is multimodal, multilingual. It supports English, Chinese, and other major European languages, and also provides robust audio analysis for local use cases like speaker identification and response, speech translation and transcription, mixed audio and noise detection, plus music and sound analysis. So let's get it installed locally and then we will see how it works. Before I move forward, let me give a huge shout out to Mast Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on range of GPUs, so please do check them out. This is my Ubuntu system and I have this GPU card NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. Let's create a virtual environment and then we will start installing first Nexa and then we will see how this model works. Let's now install some of the prerequisites, which simply include pip, torch, transformers and stuff. And we also need to install a couple of audio libraries like PyAudio and LibPort Audio. Let's wait for it, shouldn't take too long. And now we need to install the Nexa SDK. As I said, I already have covered Nexa a lot on my channel. In short, Nexa SDK is an open source local on-device inference framework. It supports text generation, image generation, vision language models, audio language models, speech to text and text to speech. It is installable via Python package or executable installer. We are doing it Python package because that is the only one which supports user interface. Also, in other words, you can just simply say that it is an Olama alternate if you will. Olama is also a very fine tool to run large language models locally. So let's wait for this Nexa to get installed. And Nexa is installed. Let's clear the screen here. And you can check the Nexa version like this. It is the latest version as you can see. And now we need to run this Nexa with this Qwen2 audio model, and I will be opening it in the Streamlit GUI. So let's run it. And the first step it does is it downloads the model in the GUI format, of course. So let's wait. And then it automatically opens it in the GUI at port 8501, which is a local port, and you can reduce this to just to check it out what is happening. So you see it is the model path is Qwen2 audio, which has already been downloaded, and on the right hand side you can um, do the audio generation or voice chat. So for example, you can either give prompt text, or you could just upload an audio file or drop it here, or you could simply record audio from your microphone. So I'm going to select an audio file from my local system. I'm just going with this MP3 file. So you can see the limit is 200 MB per file, and the format of audio file could be either WAV or MP3. So my file is MP3, just 58.3 KB. Let me play this. What is happiness? So I'm asking in my audio file what is happiness. Let's process the audio. It is processing the audio. While it does that, let me also show you VRAM consumption. It is taking just over 16 gig of VRAM, so make sure you have that much there. And it has already given us the response that happiness is a positive emotional state characterized by feeling of joy, contentment, and that. So you see, it has done wonderfully well. You can also record the video. I'm on my virtual remote machine, so I'm not sure if my local one would work here, but I'll just say start new. Okay, I don't think so there is a recorded video, but anyway, let's try out another one. I'm going to ask it maybe strawberry question. So let's process it and I'll play it. How many letter R are there in the word strawberry? Okay. So it has processed it, but the answer is wrong, which is fine. Let's try out another one. Let's see if it can do the translation. So I'm just asking it, translate I love you in Arabic, Hindi, Korean, Spanish, and Urdu. And there you go, it has translated it, which is quite good. Now let's try out what exactly this text prompt is. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to maybe select an audio in the male voice.
This is Fad Mirza. Please subscribe to the channel.
And I'm going to ask it a text prompt as what is the gender of speaker. So let me process audio. Okay, so I think I just need to reload it. Sometime it does this. I'm just going to give it again. Speech. What is the gender? Process audio. Okay, so when this happens, it means that we just need to Control C here and then run the Streamlit again. It is going to reload the model. So let's close this one and now we will just run it. I'm not sure what is this Streamlit bug or is this the Nexa bug? I'm not sure. Okay, so let me select this speech. Okay, let's process audio now. This is working, so it says male here, which is quite good. So you see, pretty nice, I would say. Similarly, if you don't want to use GUI, you can do the same in your terminal, but I would suggest do it like this. It's quite easier and you can do a lot of things here in this GUI. And before I let you go, also let me introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are Agent QL. Agent QL is a query language that turns any web page into a data source. Agent QL is quite resilient, it is reusable, it uses natural language, and it works across multiple similar pages. It uses the power of AI to analyze the page structure to find the data you're looking for, and I will drop the link to it in video's description. So I hope that you enjoyed this Qwen2-Audio. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.